all done. I finished it. This is that beautiful piece of kyanite that has the wonderful sparkly crystals in it. It is wrapped with a sacred silver wire weave. That is a denim lapis bead. That also on the top is amethyst and a labradorite bead. Of course, the typical sterling silver signature puff heart. And it has the attached lobster clasp to a 7-chakra chain. And the fob, the fob consists of carnelian, peridot, amethyst, onyx, rose quartz, malachite, some amethyst little chunks, turquoise, ocean jasper, and jade. So it's all done and ready to go. Let me know if you're interested. You can DM me. Have a great day.